Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to trade multiple items with friends in Visit. So in this latest update, Visit finally added a trading system, which means you can now exchange items with your friends easily without needing Robux or anything like that. And here's how to do it. First, just tap on the Send Trades icon, this one. Just click on it. And then next, just choose your friends. And then just tap on Trade menu like this. And then once the trades window opens like this, you can start trading different kinds of items like face, rod skins, boots, charms, and many more over here. Now just select the items that you want to give to your friends. Maybe I want to choose this one. And then next, if your friends also adds item for you, you will be able to see and receive them in the same trade window too. Just tap on accept, this one, just tap on accept, and then for the items that you are sending, just wait until your friends accept them too, and then just tap on confirm and wait a moment until the trade is complete like this. And that's how you can trade multiple items with your friends in Visit. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.